let's start today's class. In last class, I explained you Beautiful Day. It's a poem written by William Wordsworth. Hope you remember. Okay, just a quick recall. Okay, so what this poem is all about? Yes, the poet tries to tell us about different things that are in nature. How the day begins with crowing of cock, which reminds us that, which tells us that it is a daytime. It's morning now. Okay, and how along with the raising of day, the stream still continues to flow. Here, see, the stream continues to flow. Okay, the birds around also have woken up. Okay, they are chirping around the nature. The lake glitters, okay, and shines as the sun rises brightly. The old and the young people have woken up too and have started their daily routine with lot of hard work and concentration. Okay, and what else? So the poet tries to show us a normal beginning of the day where cattle are grazing their morning food. Grazing means eating their morning food. And also the poet tries to tell us that winter season is going away now and the spring season has begun. Okay, and see, the plough boy, as soon as spring season prevailed, everyone is happy now because spring is a good season. Okay, and the plough boy means one who takes care of, who heads the animal, who leads the animal that draw a plough. Okay, and he is so excited and he's whooping means he is so expressing his joy, so he's shouting Anan. Okay, so this poem is all about nature, a beautiful day of changing season that tells us that there is a positive change in nature. So I hope now everything is clear. So I asked you to write new words which I gave you to take in your textbook, and meanings also. I hope you did it. If not, write it again in your English classwork. Okay, so today we will be completing two more bits. Okay, A1 and A2. So please open page number 12. Now see here, match the words describing action with the doers of the action. So these are action words. Okay, these are describing action words, and you have to match with the doers, means who is performing this action. Okay, now sailing. So sailing is performed. What is sailing, children? What is sailing in the sky? Yes, clouds. So match with clouds. Okay, grazing. Yes, who are grazing, children? Cattle. Yes, the cattle is grazing. Crowing. Cock is crowing. Twittering. Okay, twittering means sound made by birds. So match with birds. Flowing. Okay, what is flowing continuously? Stream. Yes. Now glittering. Glittering means shining. So what is shining so brightly? Yes, lake. So lake. Now sleeping. Yes, green fields. Now whooping. Whooping means expressing joy, excitement, showing, screaming with excitement. So whooping. Who is whooping? Plough boy. Yes. So these are the action words. Okay, sailing, grazing, crowing, these are the action words, and these action words are performed by this particular things. Okay, now let us move on to next bit, that is answer the following question. Now see here, who are the people working? So in your classwork book, Okay, in your classwork book, first write date, then a beautiful day. Here you write down name of the poet, then answer the following questions. So first one, see here. Who are the people working? So who are the people working? Yes, answer is the oldest people, the youngest people and the strongest are working. Okay, now the oldest people, the youngest people and the strongest people are working. Now what does the line mean? What does this line mean? There are 40 feeding like one. So answer is the cattle are all feeding together in a group, so they look like one animal. Okay, so they look like one animal. Now what season does the poem describe? So which season poem describes, children? Yes, the poem describes the spring season. The poet describes the spring season. So these are the question and answers which you have to complete it in your English classwork book neatly. And see, you can underline headings with red pencil or red pen. Okay, and or else you can shade either with yellow color pencil or orange color pencil, but don't use any sketch pens and don't make it messy. Okay, and you can write question with black pen. Okay, you can use black pen for writing questions, and answer you have to write with blue pen only. Okay, after completing one question and answers, leave one line. Okay, and here you can draw line with red color pencil or pen. Okay, then proceed to next. Okay, so this is only you have 3 questions. Write neatly, and those who did not complete it, new words and meanings, complete it, children, and send it to me. Okay, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me if you have any doubt. Okay, you can ask. Please don't, again and again I'm telling you, I am here to clarify your doubts. So please clarify your doubts if you have any doubt. So that's all for today's class. I hope you understood. Take care. Bye bye.